Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you, just in case you were wondering, what the Nightmare Before Christmas 2021 $2 Love is Eternal coin looks like. So this is the coin that you are going to get right here. Now you're not going to get this exact coin that's in this protective case, but it will come in this book. So this is what the coin originally came in. It came in this Tim Burton cool little book, and on the bottom it says there's only 3,000 pieces made. So this is really nice. That opens up, and your coin normally would have been right in here, but we actually took our coin that was in here and we sent it to NGC to have them grade it. That way it's professionally sealed and graded. So they graded this an MS70 antiqued. This is a first release, so that's really awesome. Now this is the coin you're actually going to get in high quality as well. It's just we took our coin and we had it graded. So you can take your coin and have it graded as well, or you can just keep the coin in the book that it came with. Either option is up to you. But it's a beautiful coin. I absolutely love this. I mean, the quality is top notch. Check that out. Is that not a cool coin? I think you guys would love it. So if you're looking to collect it, hey, grab yours now, because like the specs say, there's only 3,000 of these made. And there's a couple other ones that you can get, but this is my favorite, and they all come in these books unless you get it sent to be graded. But look at this book. Is that not cool or what? Absolutely love this. It's a 1 ounce silver coin, and this is the version of Love is Eternal. Absolutely beautiful, stunning coin. If you are a big fan of the Nightmare Before Christmas, you don't want to miss this. There's only 3,000 made. That's not a lot when it comes to collecting coins.